Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we bring you real-time updates and deep dives into the biggest events shaping our future. Today we will know about student loan debt collectors. So without further ado, let's get back to the video. Imagine waking up one morning to find your paycheck smaller, your tax refund gone, or even your credit score wrecked. All because of a loan you thought you could ignore. That's what's happening to thousands of Americans right now. Student loans in default are officially being handed over to debt collectors, and if you're not paying attention, you could be next. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this means, how it impacts your money and future, and the steps you can take today to avoid the debt collection trap. This isn't just about loans, it's about protecting your financial freedom. Let's break this down. If you have a federal student loan and you haven't made a payment in more than 270 days, that loan is considered in default. This isn't just a status on your account, it's a serious legal situation. You lose access to repayment benefits, you can't apply for deferment or forgiveness programs, and now you're about to hear from collection agencies. During the pandemic, there was a pause on collections, but that pause is over. The U.S. Department of Education has restarted efforts to collect unpaid debt, and they're not doing it lightly. Defaulted loans are now being referred to debt collection agencies across the country. This is part of a renewed effort to recover billions in overdue federal student loans. Here's where things get real. Once your loan is handed over to collections, a few things can happen. Wage garnishment. A portion of your paycheck can be taken automatically. Tax refund seizure. That refund you were counting on? It might go straight to your loan balance. Credit damage. Default status is reported to the credit bureaus, dragging your score down. Loss of financial aid. You won't be eligible for future federal aid if you're in default. This is not just about inconvenience. It's about long-term financial harm. It's surprisingly easy to check. Log in to your account at studentaid.gov. Look at your loan status, and if it says default, you're already in trouble. Contact your servicer if you're unsure or can't access your account. You might also get calls, emails, or letters from new agencies. That's a red flag your loan has been sent to debt collection. Here's the good news. There are ways out. Loan rehabilitation. Make 9 affordable on-time payments in 10 months. Your default is cleared and your loan becomes eligible again for benefits. Loan consolidation. Combine your defaulted loans into a new one and choose an income-driven repayment plan right away. Fresh Start Program, available for a limited time. It gives borrowers in default a second chance to restore their loans without penalties. These programs exist to help you, but you need to act before collections escalate. Prevention is always better. Here's how to avoid default in the first place. Sign up for income-driven repayment so your monthly bill fits your budget. Set up automatic payments to avoid missing due dates. Contact your loan servicer the moment you experience financial hardship. Don't ignore notices. They're your early warning signs. Once a loan goes into default, reversing it is possible, but it's much harder. If you're watching this and your loan is already in collections, here's what you should do today. Don't panic, but don't delay. Ask the collection agency for a debt validation letter. Make sure it's legit. Don't make any payments until you understand your rights. Explore rehabilitation or consolidation immediately. If you're overwhelmed, consider speaking to a student loan counselor. Remember, collections agencies are paid to get your money. You need to protect yourself. Defaulting on a student loan has long-lasting effects. Your credit score can stay damaged for years. You may struggle to rent an apartment, get a car loan, or even qualify for jobs. You'll be charged extra collection fees, sometimes up to 25% of your balance. You lose eligibility for programs like public service loan forgiveness. And worst of all, the longer you wait, the worse it gets. Let's recap your to-do list. Check your loan status today. Call your loan servicer and ask about rehabilitation or consolidation. If your loan is in collections, request debt validation. Consider using the Fresh Start initiative if you qualify. Create a monthly budget and sign up for an income-driven plan. Take control of your situation before it controls you. If this video helped clarify your options, take a second to like the video. It helps us reach more people struggling with student loan debt. And if you want more no-fluff, real-world advice on student loans, debt management, and financial planning, subscribe to the channel now. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I personally go through and reply. Thanks for watching. And remember, your financial future is still in your hands.